know, every day is like a dream come true. Every time I go to taping or sa set of shooting, parang ang cool na ako na po yung nag-act, ako na po yung side up ng camera. Kasi dati, I used to just watch my dad do it. And I would be like, pati po yung sa ASAP. Yung first time kong kumapag sa stage ng ASAP, sabi ko, wow, it's finally happening. Every time I come home every summer, I watch and perform sa ASAP, and I would be like, I wanna be on that stage someday. So talagang, it was a very memorable moment na finally ako na po yung...
Pero ibig sabihin, sabi ka sa bilang ganyan-ganyan, so ano ito? Tapos pa kayo, hindi ka pa tapos may album na lalabas. Ano ba talaga ang...
We're just trying to accept every opportunity that's coming because, you know, it's not always going to be there. And since I'm doing online school, I'm able to do other things, and, you know, it's a good way to, I guess, learn.
If you're a normal kid at hindi ka anak ng tatay mo, siguro ako sa palagay mo, mapipigil ka ba mag-artist?
That's a hard question kasi siya naman po talaga yung reason na bakit gusto ko mag-perform, bakit gusto ko kumanta, maging artista. Kasi po, growing up, pinapanood ko lang po siya. Tapos na-inspire niya po talaga ako. Siya po yung one of the main reasons why I love singing, I love performing, and talagang na-inspire niya ako.
Kailan mo hindi realize na how big your papa is in the industry?
You know, I never really thought about that kasi whenever I'm with him, he's very humble, very simple person na minsan hindi mo mapipil na siya si Piolo Pascual. Like, sometimes I look at him, I'm like, whoa, siya pala yung dad ko, siya pala si Piolo Pascual. Na hindi mo pag kilala niyo po siya, hindi niyo mapipil na your star siya.
Ano ba takot at bakit ayaw ka niya? Ayaw ka pag-aaral mo sa or baka mag-aaya ka sa kanya na center na versus?
I think both naman po. He knows the life of an actor, he knows the life of being in the limelight, he knows what it's like. So he's just protecting me, and I'm thankful for that. Pero, you know, I want to be able to learn from my own mistakes, from my own experiences, and he's letting me do that. But he's always there, giving me tips and advice.
Alam niya kung ano nasa loob.
Like ever since I was a kid, I've been asking him, like every summer that I come home, like can I please do something, a commercial or something? Can I do a product ASAP? But he's always like, no, it's not.
Nagtampo ka ba? Dahil, di ba, hindi-deprive ka sa gusto.
Hindi naman tampo. I mean, parang I felt like he doesn't want me to do this even though this is what I want. Pero, you know, he, like, looking back at it now, I know that he was just trying to protect me. It wasn't something to harm me or make me feel bad. It was just something that was to protect me.
But did you feel before na kaya kanya itinago